Hey everyone, Madison the Beauty Addict here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a beautiful day, and today I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you this new dip powder nail kit I purchased from Amazon and testing it out. Before I jump into that though, let's talk a little bit about the products. These are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and all of the products here have healthy quality ingredients including vitamin E and keratin to support your nail health without any harsh chemicals, which is like a huge plus to me. Y'all know how bad I try to grab the healthiest options possible for my face, nails, and hair when it comes to cosmetics, so this was super exciting to me to know I'm not damaging my nails using these. Also, these do not crack or chip easy like if you used polish. And this isn't gel, so you won't need to cure this under a LED or UV lamp or anything. And yeah, so let's move on to the products. So included in this kit is 7 dip powders, 2 orange sticks, a nail file, nail buffer, a nail dust brush, a bottle of cuticle oil, a bottle of gel base, activator and top coat, 5 replacement brushes for the polishes, and some easy to read instructions. And last but not least, this freaking adorable holographic bag. I've literally been obsessing over it way too much. It's just so shiny and aesthetic, I can't help it. Okay, so let's check the powders up close. Each powder has 0.5 ounces in it, and the jars are a perfect depth for dipping. So let's try them out. I chose to use the shade Fairy Cotton. First off, you'll want to wash your hands and prep your nails. To start, I'm going to push the cuticles back and file the nails to the shape I want. Then I'll use the buffer included to buff the nails a little to remove the shine. This helps the product to grip better and last longer. I purposefully chose a model with shorter nails to demonstrate these products on because I wanted to show the simplicity and beauty of these products even on hands with shorter nails. Then we're going to apply the base coat, which is in the red bottle. And quickly, you'll want to dip your nails into the powder at a 45-degree angle, then wait a few seconds to dust off the excess powder. From there, we'll wait 30 seconds for it to air dry. After that, we're just going to repeat the whole process over again. So now we're going to apply a coat of the activator, which is in the yellow bottle, and let that air dry for 30 seconds. And lastly, we're going to use the top coat, which is in the blue bottle, and wait another 30 seconds, then repeat. For that fresh salon look, I'm going to apply the cuticle oil all around the cuticles, which is in the purple bottle. And voila! Look at how absolutely amazing these nails are. No polish streaks, smooth as glass, and the color is so beautiful and vibrant, it just jumps right off of the nails. This actually was way easier than what I was expecting. I'm honestly so ashamed at the fact I actually had it in my head that painting on multiple layers of colored polish plus waiting for them to dry forever was better than this dip powder. So I definitely need more of these in my life. I'm probably going to be pretty freaking addicted to these. If you want super quick salon looking nails without actually going and paying for a salon trip, I highly recommend these powders. You can buy them right on Amazon or on their website at doubledipowder.com. I'll drop the links in the description below so you can go grab you these bad boys. Also, I'll be sure to do more creative looks with these to post, and so you don't miss them, be sure you're following me on Instagram at Madison the Beauty Addict, and before you go, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more fun videos on my channel. Also, go follow this amazing company on Instagram and Facebook. I have the links you can click on right in the description for that. Be sure to put your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what your favorite powder was out of this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys!